This Jeep Wrangler came to us for repair. Let's check the DTCs first. So we have ABS module internal error. Let's take out the ABS module. We open the cover now. This DTC means that the chip is damaged. We just need to replace it. So let's do it. We prepared the foil to protect from it the rest of the board. Let's fix it all around the chip. This is to protect the other components from the heat we will use to desolder. Now we start heating the chip. Now the chip has been removed. Here we have thermoconductive silicone. Apply a little bit in the middle of the chip, then put the chip in position. Now we put a little tin on the soldering iron and we take care of the bigger pads first. Now we add tin on all the pins on all the 4 sides. We add some soldering paste all over. Then continue to add tin on the chip. Now the chip is soldered completely. Let's install the module on the car and test it. We start the car, it starts. Now let's read the DTCs again. No DTCs, all good.